UNSC Technical Division Report. Ground Vehicle N12 Warthog. Assembly schematics engaged. Chassis, suspension and wheel systems aligning. Combat platform entering final stages of fabrication. Status, deployment imminent. Spartan armour continues surface enhancement protocols. Paint application in progress. G'day everyone, Artist Wayne here and welcome back Spartans. This is episode 3 of my Halo 3D print build and my Warthog is really coming together now. The front suspension is fully completed, I only need to do a bit of painting and the rear suspension is printing as we speak. This has been the most challenging build yet, but also the most rewarding. In this episode, I'm diving in and painting the Master Chief himself. It's time to bring him to life. So let's get started and suit up this Spartan. But before I did, there was a change I needed to make. I felt that the Master Chief's shoulder armour stuck out way too far. I was going for a more aesthetic look. Well, more work on the Master Chief. I really don't like how the shoulder armour sticks out so far, so I have snapped it off, removed the bracket part, and I will be gluing that on so it sits more flush and it'll look way better. The Master Chief's Mjolnir armour has gone through multiple evolutions across the Halo series. From the chunky Mach 5 in Combat Evolved to the sleeker Mach 6 in Halo 2 and 3, all the way to the upgraded Gen 2 armour in Halo 4 and beyond. This green paint isn't just a colour, it's a symbol. That iconic olive armour has been etched into gaming history for over 20 years. Obviously, the visor is one of my favourite details. In-game, it's a gold titanium alloy coating. And I really hit the jackpot when I found the gold tape in a box of Christmas ornaments out in the garden shed, helping me recreate perfectly that reflective finish that makes Master Chief instantly recognisable. Okay, update on the Master Chief. I am getting there with the painting. I will be adding highlights to the black and I'll probably use silver. You won't know it's silver because I'll be rubbing it, but I will be adding some highlights. Really want this Master Chief to pop. Naturally, whilst all this painting of the Master Chief was going on, I continued printing and working on the Warthog's legendary suspension. It's what lets this beast climb cliffs, bounce off explosions, and somehow land on its wheels after a 20-metre drop. Building this suspension has been my biggest challenge yet. It's taking a lot longer than I expected, but honestly it's fitting. Even in the games, the Warthog never makes things easy. When this is done, I want my model to feel like it could handle a real Halo battlefield. And if you've ever driven the Warthog in Halo, you know exactly how unpredictable this suspension can be. All the Warthog's wheels were now printed. I only needed to paint them and then I would be hitting another milestone. Once I glue these to the suspension frame, that would be a huge job done and dusted. Achievement unlocked! What a massive milestone I have hit today! Spartans may be unstoppable, but we all know the real MVP of Halo is the Warthog. Never underestimate the use of the grinder. That's what I had to use to get the suspension frame to fit under the Warthog. My suspension and suspension frame are all glued to the Warthog's chassis now, So, I need to fix those rear wheels, give them a scrub and another coat of paint, matching them to the front wheels, and I need to get stuck in and paint all that silver suspension matte black. Then add all that dirt. That is a huge job done and dusted. And now I can start work on the top part of the Warthog. Well, not quite. I still had one last part to print that would finish off the mighty Halo Warthog's undercarriage. And because my mighty Warthog is such a huge model, I had to slice and dice this piece using Prusa's slicer. Another print hot off the press. Mission log, undercarriage assembly complete. Structural integrity secured. Mobility systems standing by. One coat of matte black and then I could hit it with my favourite dirt coloured paint, yellow ochre. The assembly of all of the Warthog's wheels and suspension frame and chassis have been a huge undertaking, and it felt so good to see it all coming together now. And there was one thing I was really looking forward to working on, and that was making a realistic looking winch. 10 metres of 2mm galvanised wire rope would hopefully do the trick. And what I have left over would be perfect for my next project. Yes, that's right, I already know what I'm building next, and I cannot wait, because I reckon it's going to be a real challenge. This should work a treat. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. I was about to add real steel cable to the winch just to make this Warthog feel next level. Maybe I should have started this job before I glued my front wheels on, because I needed to remove one to give me enough room to slide my winch pin in. Just a little dirt and this Warthog upgrade is complete. Front mounted winch installed, reinforced with authentic steel cabling for maximum battlefield authenticity. This beast is ready to pull its weight and then some. Now it was time to add some subtle silver highlights to the Master Chief's bodysuit and his battle rifle, the BR-55 service rifle. A standard issue infantry weapon in the United Nations Space Command, and a prominent weapon carried by Master Chief throughout the Halo series, particularly in Halo 2 and 3. It's a versatile 3-round burst assault weapon known for its versatility, excellent range, and ability to deliver headshots for quick kills, making it a sought-after weapon in both campaigns and multiplayer. Time to give my Master Chief a clear coat of satin. I was about to hit another huge milestone. My Halo Master Chief was almost complete. This would give me more time now to devote to my mighty Halo Warthog. Another achievement unlocked. Mission report, Spartan armour enhancement complete. Master Chief now stands fully operational, combat ready and battle shined. And I could not be happier with the result. The Master Chief is looking epic. Especially that gold visor. The Warthog's undercarriage secured, suspension systems deployed, and front-mounted winch installed with reinforced cabling. This vehicle is no longer a chassis, it is becoming a legend. Operation Mjolnir Forge enters its next phase. Full vehicle assembly, wheels, armour plating, and battlefield systems await. Spartan, prepare for deployment. Episode 3 has been massive. My Master Chief is fully painted and ready for action, and the Halo Warthog is taking shape with the suspension, undercarriage, and that epic steel winch all in place. In episode 4, it's all about the Warthog. Bigger parts, more detail, as I bring this Halo icon closer to the battlefield. Stay tuned for episode 4, everyone, because it's going to be wild. I'm artist Wayne Dowsent, and I'll see you all in episode 4. Happy 3D printing, everyone.